embark on the Steve McClaren era as coach of the Reggae Boyz, with, of course, the Nations League encounter against Cuba on Friday night at the National Stadium. It would be great if all Jamaican football fans would come out and give the team and the new coach the supportive energy they will be needing to push them into World Cup qualification. Have to say this to Coach McClaren though. In Jamaica, we have an upside-down football culture where the support will come when the team is winning. So immediately Coach McClaren must understand that this is not England, where the team is guaranteed the support of a full stadium, win, lose or draw. You see, like how we play in Cuba on Friday night, we're gonna get some fans, but in order to fully win over the full Jamaican massive, the Reggae Boyz need to put in not just a good performance, but a sparkling and impressive winning performance. Remember, coach, in the Jamaican football culture, that's how we do things. One hand wash the other, coach. That's how we do things.